Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So you all know what is this video about. You must have read the title that we got scammed or fraud, yeah, धोखेबाजी, whatever you say. It is like, I mean, kya bolu, I don't know. I'm just making this video because I have got a lot of DMs on my Insta page ki bolio Labradors that show your house, show your, like, we want a home tour and stuff like that. But honestly, I'm not able to shoot anything because till today the work was going on. Like abhi khatam hua hai. Still we are yet to do a little small work, carpentry work, like minor, but that also it is very important to show for house tour. So basically what happened is that we had, like in my video, like long time back, I had announced that we bought a house. So along with that, I had also mentioned that things are getting delayed from the end of our contractor, कि भाई जो डेट फिक्स की थी उससे काफ़ी लेट हो रहा है, मूविंग लेट हो रहा है, काम लेट हो रहा है. So this was the actual reason that he actually duped us, and that too for 2.5 lakh rupees. So what happened is that we contacted him through a friend colleague, that he had done work for his house 3 years ago. We had gone there for lunch. We really liked the work. Meanwhile हम लोग और लोगों से भी बात कर रहे थे, like Urban Ladder, Live Space and all. So we heard really bad reviews about Live Space, that नाम बड़े दर्शन खोटे types. So we thought कि we'll go for like this guy जिसका काम हमने अभी देखा and it's good. We contacted him. We told him that this is the site, you come, you see, we'll tell you what all things we want to do. Design sab hamari, because my sister-in-law is an interior designer, so she designed everything. And then we told him that you just need to execute the design with the workers and stuff. He never showed up, and he sent his employee or contractor, whatever. We didn't like that guy, and he was said that he was busy with some other project, which I understand that they have multiple projects going on. So okay, then we told him that कि भाई ये बंदा हमको इतना अच्छा नहीं लगा, because firstly he came really late. Like it was back in March where the three of us, me, my husband and Agastya, had come to this place. There was no electricity here, no fan, nothing. और इतनी गर्मी थी, and we were waiting here for 2 hours, and he showed up late. He said that उसका bike बिगड़ गया and all that bullshit, and he showed really late at the site for the client meeting and stuff. So वही हमको गुस्सा आ गया, and we were like, this is really not professional. Then he apologized and he said, no, this won't happen again, I'm sending someone else. Then the other guy came in picture, who was okay, smart, and then he took the measurement and stuff. फिर measurement में भी yes, he made a mistake. So हमारा tower अलग है. He went to some other tower. He took the photos and measurement and sent it to our interior designer, and then she is sending me the pictures to ask me, you want the partition here, you want the bed from here. And I was like, dude, this is not my flat. I mean almost सब same दिखते हैं, but somewhat interior things are different. Like किसी में passage है, किसी में नहीं है, and like depend on the square feet. So it's like, dude, this is not my balcony, this is not my hall, this is not my flat. Then I checked all the other pictures which he had sent in email. I was like, dude, this is not my flat. So it again pissed me off that you are going to the wrong flat. Then again he came to our flat, took the measurement and sent it to her, and then she designed according to, ली एवरीथिंग, यू नो, हर एक रूम में कुछ ना कुछ करवाना था. सो इन ऑल द रूम शी गिव्स द डिज़ाइन एंड एवरीथिंग. So designs and all were final by, I would say, 20th March. Everything. Then on 27th, 24th or 25th, it was Saturday or Sunday, March, we went to his office to select the laminates, to select the color of the walls and stuff, like everything. So I was like, okay, good, whole progress. Then on 2nd of April, I went home to my mom's place for summer break. And then again, my husband told me to come back within 2 weeks because then फिर तुम्हारी ज़रूरत यहाँ पड़ेगी for the furniture and this and that. पर्दे कौन से कलर के, which I was like, yeah, you need me for that. So I came back on 16th. When I came back, nothing was done here, nothing. And only POP आधा छोड़ा था और कुछ भी नहीं किया था. और फिर देन वी डिसाइडेड कि जो काम उसको और छोटे मोटे दिए थे, नो, लाइक बाथरूम में ग्लास लगवाना, ये वो एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा, जो भी छोटे मोटे काम थे, वी टुक ऑल ऑफ इट एंड गेव इट टू सेपरेट कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स. जो बाथरूम का अलग से करता है उस बंदे को दिया. आयन जाली, मतलब we wanted a safety door, so we gave it to some other person. Then there was already existing furniture, उसमें थोड़ा ठीक ठाक करना था, we gave it to some other person. So धीरे धीरे सारा मेन काम ही उसको दिया, बाकी सब ले लिया. But still he was delaying stuff. Oh god, he delayed it for almost more than a month, of course. एंड धीरे धीरे सब कुछ काम चल रहा था. एंड देन ही अगेन स्टॉप्ड एंड वट एवर, मतलब हम लोग उसको बोल रहे थे प्रोग्रेस दिखाओ. इज लाइक फैक्ट्री पे कट हो गया है. देन वन फाइन डे वी जस्ट रीच्ड हिज ऑफिस विदाउट टेलिंग हिम हिज ऑफिस. एंड देन वी टोल्ड हिम गिव अस द एड्रेस ऑफ द फैक्ट्री. वी वांट टू सी आवर लैमिनेट्स, वी वांट टू सी द कटिंग ऑफ आवर शटर्स एंड शेल्व्स एंड एवरीथिंग. ही गेव अस द एड्रेस, वी वेंट टू द फैक्ट्री एंड ओ माई गॉड, यू वोंट बिलीव, वो फैक्ट्री में हमारा काम था ही नहीं. दैट वी गॉट टू नो आफ्टर फ्यू डेज कि वो जो काम वो कोई बंदा दिखा रहा था वो किसी और का ही था. सो ही मेड अ फूल आउट ऑफ अस. देन slowly we really got to know. So on the 18th of May we got to know and we decided that he's literally duping us. He was avoiding our calls, he was not picking our calls and everything. So करीबन उसने थोड़ा बहुत काम किया, so 2-2.5 लाख तक का किया. एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू द कॉन्ट्रैक्ट वी हैड गिवन हिम 60% एडवांस. तो भी हमारा 2.5 lakhs अभी भी लेना बनता है उससे. ही लेफ्ट एवरीथिंग इन बिटवीन. उसकी वजह से कोई इलेक्ट्रिशियन, ही इज़ नॉट पेइंग द इलेक्ट्रिशियन, so electrician was not coming. He didn't pay the painter, so painter didn't come. And same goes with the carpenter. So everything was left midway. Only the paint was done, but I was like, paint करके क्या मतलब है, because more than half of the furniture is left. फिर से सब गंदा होने वाला है. So again I'll have to call that guy to repaint the house. So everything was so exhausting. जून से फर्स्ट वीक से स्कूल शुरू हो रही थी. I had to move before that. And then we found someone else. He finished half of the work, more than half of the work before we moved, and then remaining is still going on and it will be done by today. And फिर उस बंदे ने हमारा फ़ोन उठाना बंद कर दिया and all that. And then we finally decided to file a case against him because as per the agreement he was supposed to give us on 21st of May. He didn't give, and उसमें लिखा था हमने कि भाई we can take any action against you because this is not a small amount. And then we checked his LinkedIn page. It's our mistake. We are doing everything afterwards. We should have done this before. But then we checked his Google reviews. So out of like 15-20 reviews, उसमें से 5 से 7 are bad. And the same story that he left the work midway, पैसे एडवांस लेके काम नहीं करता and blah blah blah. And then we got to know few more reviews about him through the electrician जिसके पैसे उसने नहीं दिए. So right now we have filed a case against him and we have paid him a big amount. उसमें से half तो वसूल हो गया है काम से, बाकी का बाकी है. And then again we had to spend a huge amount बनवाने के लिए from other contractor who was touch with very nice. He did his work. Everything is fine. But नुकसान हो रहा है, like हमारे पैसे अटक गए. We don't know कि कब मिलेंगे या नहीं, because he is literally in debt. And we asked the person जिसके थ्रू हमको पता चला कि क्या है भाई तुम्हारे साथ पैसा हुआ, तो he said no, he had a partner earlier who was handling all this, but then the partner और उसकी कुछ जमी नहीं, and then they parted their ways, and then that is why the whole thing is going down. So yeah, basically this is the situation, and we're just hoping that we could recover our money back. It's like it's going to take time. We need to keep ourselves calm and patience रखना बहुत ज़रूरी है. But we just hope we get our money back, because it's hard earned money. It's not like किसी ने दी है. It's like we've really worked hard for it. And you can see, I'll just show you the clips now that कि अभी तक, like where are we right now? It's what, June end, and we're still not done with the work, and it's really frustrating, but what to do. So I'll just show you the clips. So yeah, this is it. Now we are just waiting for it to finish. थोड़ा बहुत बाकी है, वो सब कुछ ख़त्म होने के बाद I'll give you a nice home tour and everything, like detail में. So but for that it is going to take time, because I want every corner to be perfect before giving a home tour. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I just wanted to address it here so that it doesn't happen to someone else. जो mistake मैंने की है वो कोई और ना करे. So yeah, thank you.